Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the sticker closely. Note torn edges or dried adhesive. Once observed, clean the skin gently with water and a 70% isopropyl swab to remove oils. Make sure to lay the sticker flat on a clean surface and warm it briefly with a hairdryer on low to soften adhesive. This makes reactivation easier. You'll want tweezers ready for delicate lifts. Avoid stretching the decal. This first stage sets you up to rehydrate and reapply without causing more damage. You now rehydrate the sticker's adhesive by pressing a damp cotton swab, water only, no soap, on the back side for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once pliable, lift the backing incrementally with tweezers and align the image over the target area. Press from the center outward to force out air and hold steady for a full minute. If edges resist, trim tiny jagged bits with scissors to prevent lifting. By reactivating and smoothing in this way, you preserve the image and optimize adhesion for a clean finish. You finish by drying the area gently and applying a translucent powder or a light-setting spray to lock the decal. Make sure to press the edges again and allow 20 to 30 minutes undisturbed. If the sticker still lifts later, apply a small piece of medical-grade tape over the edge for up to 24 hours. This is your troubleshooting fix. It stabilizes adhesive while curing. Finally, avoid oil, heavy rubbing, or full submersion for 12 to 24 hours to ensure the repair holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.